All right, guys. So like I said, try number 7 on your own, okay? And I'm going to go through number 8. So number 8, you can see we have these parallel lines, okay? So that kind of indicates that, hey, that's going to be our base. So I'm just going to outline that. And if I outline the base, it looks like another trapezoid, okay? Or we have our parallel lines, all right? And then we have two lines that are not parallel. So to find the area of a trapezoid, or to find the area of the base, it's going to be 1/2 height times base 1 plus base 2, okay? So we can see from the picture that, here, I'm going to erase some of this stuff. All right, so we can see from the picture that we have 25 here. That's that length right there. That's going to be our base 1. 39.4 is going to be this length right here. So that's going to be our base 2. And now we have to figure out the height. And this is where it gets a little bit tricky, and this is why I'm doing this problem with you. So if they give you the two bases of the trapezoid, all right, they give you the two bases, you got to find the height of the trapezoid. What you have to do is you have to do Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so I'm just going to redraw the figure over here so you guys kind of understand what we're looking at. All right, so we have 25 right here. We have 39.4 right here. And then our height is going to be right there. Okay, it's a right angle. Now, this is what you do if they give you the two bases and you can't find the height. Okay, I'm going to switch colors here. The height is just going to be this red line, okay? It's just going to be this red line. Now, if you notice, when I make that red line, I have, and I'm going to outline it in red, I have a triangle here, okay? More importantly, I'm going to have a right triangle, okay? I'm just going to go from the end of our base 1 straight down to our base 2, forming that right triangle. Now, to do that, we have a right triangle there. We know that the hypotenuse is 30.6, okay, 30.6. And we know this is our height. That's what we're trying to find. And this other side over here, all right, we have to figure that one out to use the Pythagorean theorem. Well, what we know is the whole length of that side is 39.4. The part that we don't want, the part that's not in red, is the 25. So all we have to do is 39.4 minus 25. And when we do that, that gives us 14.4. So I hope everybody is okay with that. All right. If you're not okay with that, please send me an email or something, and we can work through more problems like this. All right. So that gives us 14.4. I'll give you guys a second to write that down because I am going to erase that just so I have some more space to work with. So please get that written down, or pause the video and get that written down. So now I'm just going to draw the right triangle. So when I draw the right triangle here, we had 30.6 from the figure. We had 14.4 is what we found from doing 39.4 minus 25. There's our right angle, and we are looking for the height, h. Okay, so we're going to do Pythagorean theorem. 30.6 is the hypotenuse. So when we set it up, 14.4 squared plus h squared equals 30.6 squared. And when you do that, you should get, when you subtract the two, h squared equals 729. So make sure you're doing 30.6 squared, subtract 14.4 squared, and then you should get the height to be 27. All right, so the height is going to be 27 for the trapezoid. So we're going to get cut off here, but we'll finish this problem in the next video.